Hi guys, this is Bhargav. Welcome to the Game of Trading channel. Hope all are doing good. This video is about 8 golden rules for a trader which makes an ordinary people can become a professional trader. This video is very helpful for every beginner. Must watch till the end. You can gain some knowledge. Let's begin the game of trading with 8 golden rules. Golden rule number 1. Basic knowledge on trading. What is the basic knowledge on trading? The basic knowledge of trading is a method of where each and every trader should focus on companies' specific elements to determine which stock to buy and when to buy it. Trading is more closely associated with a buy and hold strategy rather than short-term trading is also known as, which we'll discuss in my upcoming video, intraday trading. Golden rule number 2. Start with less money. Why am I suggesting less money? Why? Because money is so precious. I don't want any trader to lose their money in trading. Trading is a kind of quick earning as well as a quick losing too. Whenever you're facing loss, don't get panic because trading is a game between gainers and losers. Whatever it may be, you keep yourself with a positive intent. You can even start with an amount of 500 or 1000. For beginners, it's most important to learn then start earn. You can also start investing once you have gained more confidence as well as good experience. Golden rule number 3. Expand your portfolio. What is a portfolio? A portfolio is a grouping of financials such as stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, and cash equivalents, as well as their fund including mutual exchange, traded and closed funds. Portfolio is the key to become a successful trader. Your portfolio plays a major role in your trading journey. Don't try to buy all your money with one stock. Try to select industries from different companies to make your portfolio alive. Why am I suggesting portfolio is key? For an example, take two stocks from Nifty Auto Index like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland. In your portfolio won't be called as diversified portfolio. Although the companies are different, however, both companies belongs to same industry. If there is a recession or a crisis in motors field, your entire portfolio going to be red means loss. An expand portfolio will definitely help you out from red to green. How it will work, let's see. Your portfolio can be something like Biocon from pharma industry, Apollo Tyres from tires manufacturing industry, Hindustan Unilever is from FMCG. All the above stocks are from different industries from different companies, which makes your portfolio very safe. Golden rule number 4. Choosing a company is the biggest challenge for every beginner. For beginners, try to start with blue chip companies. Blue chip companies are from reputed companies who are in the market for a very long time, financially strong, and they have a good track record with rapid growth and returns in the past years. For an example, ICICI Bank ruler in the banking sector, JSW Steel ruler in the steel sector, Maruti Suzuki ruler in the automobile industry, TCS ruler in the software, SBI ruler in the banking sector, Sun Pharma, Cipla, etc. Golden rule number 5. Do know what to expect from the market. This means don't set unrealistic expectations for the markets. If you want to make your money double in 1 month from the stock market, then you have set your expectations wrong. Have a logical expectations from the market. Golden rule number 6. Follow your plan, strategy, and have a good discipline. Don't get distracted if your portfolio starts performing too well or too bad in the initial months of investing. Many people increase their investment amount just in a few weeks. If they see their stocks doing too well, end up losing in the long run. Similarly, many people exit the market soon. They are not able to get profits when their stocks start performing. Kindly follow your strategy, plan, and have a good discipline. Golden rule number 7. Market's performance. Here the performance is decided by buyers and sellers. Buyer signs bull, bear signs sellers. Every index signal gives you different challenges to earn money in different ways. I will discuss what are the modes of earning in stock market in my next upcoming video. Most of indexes are so much volatility depends upon the positive or a negative news impact on markets. Performance of the day, companies' events are the major cause for the index volatility. While doing trade setup for the day, keep an eye on the sectors which you have added in your portfolio. Performance in news or several apps like Money Control or NSE India website. Golden rule number 8. Continue your learning in stock market education. The stock market is the only space that can change continuously every day. It gives you new strategies, new experience, and brings you to learn new techniques as well as new strategies too. You can only keep up with the stock market. You can continue your professional life simultaneously. There are plenty of more lessons which you will learn with the time and experience. I hope above 8 golden rules may helpful for successful trader. My upcoming video is about how to screen a company by technical analysis. Hope you all like this video. Kindly do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Have a great time with Game of Trading channel. Thank you.